this video, we are going to take a look at sales order. This menu is used when a quote has been confirmed, and if you need to place a sales order, or when the time of recording sales period is different from the actual inventory release date. This menu is under Inventory 1, Sales, and Sales Order. By clicking New, set up the date of the sales order and decide when to deliver it by and fill up the delivery date. So fill in the information, who the order is going to be, who is going to be responsible for the order, where the location will be, whether it's a taxable or non-taxable. Decide the currency. Choose domestic or other foreign currencies. If you do not see one, you can add one by clicking the Add Item. Fill in the other information that you see fit, and under Delivery Date, if you choose and click on the FN Schedule button, you can make a new schedule. You can also set up a notification. You can also head on over to Outstanding Sales Order Status and look at it by calendar type. Let us head back to the Sales Order Slip. There are multiple ways to bring in the item. You can double click it, press Enter, and select the item, or you can manually search for the item like this. Once you input the quantity, it organizes the price and determines the pre-tax amount. The price listed here can be edited by bringing in the item list. Inventory 1, Setup, and Item. Select it and make sure to input the sales price. If you need more, you can go to the Price tab and input more price tags. By clicking F4 on the price, it recalculates the pre-tax amount so that it includes the tax amount. Hit Save when you're done. Under the sales order list, you can choose to modify them or delete them. You can also bring in a quotation by clicking the quotation button. You can apply residual quantity. If you change up the number, and you can delete them as well. When you click Save and bring back the same quotation by making a new sales order, it will calculate the outstanding quote status. You can see it applied like so. You can also decide to change the status to finished if you would like. Now, the slips made in the sales order will not affect the inventory balance. Only the ones made in sales will. So if you go to Sales, you can also bring in the sales order. Like so. There are multiple ways to make a sales slip. You select multiple sales order slips and press Generate Other Slips. You can make it by line, or by line by slip, or manually. When you select by line in one slip, it means that you are merging all of the sales order slips into one sales slip. When you select by line by slip, it means that the selected sales order will be made according to the sales slip. So if we're making 2 sales order slips, we're getting 2 sales slips. The last one is set manually, where you can set up your own condition, such as by vendor. Then you're making the sales order slip into a sales slip by each vendor type. Let us generate a slip. Once we click apply and create, make sure to hit save. Once it's done, you can use the view button to see the created slip, like so. You can also check on the outstanding sales order status to see how many more items need to be sold. By using the sales order status, you can choose to set up a summary condition, such as a daily sales order status that includes the item. Once it loads, you can see that it has been reordered to your company's needs. Now you can also use the release sales order menu to see whether they are processed or not, and once they are actually released, you can press the release button and make a new sales slip along with it as well.